Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the MT5 ER40 MTB5 ER40UM Morse Spindle Taper Shank Collet Chuck Tool with an M20 Thread Drawbar, designed for use with milling machines and CNC lathes. This robust tool is primarily used on MT milling machines to enhance the hardness and endurance of the surface, ensuring a reliable performance during your machining tasks. The milling tool is securely mounted on an arbor and held in place by spacers or bushings, providing you with the stability you need for precise operations. With its high rigidity and strong clamping capabilities, this collet chuck tool allows for direct tightening of nuts, making it an essential component for any serious machinist. Whether you're working on complex CNC projects or routine milling tasks, this tool promises to deliver exceptional results every time. Its design not only improves efficiency but also extends the lifespan of your equipment, making it a smart investment for your workshop. Stay tuned for more insights into how this tool can transform your machining experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.